Mango juice. 1 kilogram raw mango. Peel mango and boil them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Cook until it's soft. Remove all pulp from seed. Add all pulp in jar and blend. Strain it. Take a pan, add 1 liter water, a half kg sugar. Cook until sugar dissolve. After sugar dissolve, add a 1/4 cup milk to clear the water. Remove this. See how swagger water is clear. Then add all pulp in it. Cook until pulp completely mix. 1 teaspoon black salt, a half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pesa zira, 1 teaspoon vinegar. Cook 5 minutes. See how mixture ready. You can store it for 1 month. Take a serving glass, add 2 tablespoons this mixture. Add ice cubes and water. Mix and add lemon juice. Mint leaves on top and enjoy. Yummy drink. Allah Hafiz.